Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to create a GIF from a video. And in this, I have a few viral sites. I opened one of them. I'll provide a link to the sites. And there are always viral videos all over the net, so you can check the same. And for example, if I use this video, so I can check this. This looks funny. Maybe a good GIF would be made out of it. If I want to download it, I have a plugin extension of Firefox called Video Download Helper. There are a lot of websites and extensions which you can use. You can download it from here if you need to download it. You can directly create it from the video itself. For that you need to take, okay, let me do one thing. For example, if I want to create a video from here directly from YouTube, I can open Giffing Tool. This is a Giffing tool, and here I have also the options. I normally keep the frame rate at 10, but it is your decision. On default wide I keep it at 388, but again this is your decision. If you want to make it more or less, it's your option. And then you need to do you can detect and select YouTube, which I am going to do now, or Vimeo or any other option, or you can open a GIF, existing GIF. Right now I'll show you how to detect and create from YouTube itself. Here it is, it has already been selected. As you can see, it is done. Now it is starting to record. Okay, this looks funny, so I can probably use these frames. Okay, fine, let me use it till here. I need to press the escape button and the frames should be recorded. So this is how it has recorded the frames directly from YouTube without saving the video. Okay, fine. If I need to reduce the frames, I can do one thing. Remove. Here is duplicate, remove every frame, every second frame. I remove every second frame from the entire timeline. If you need to delete frames of a portion, then you can just select the portion. For example, if I need to remove from here time frames from only this portion, say only this one, then I'd select second frame from the selected area. But I can just keep the default and at first delete second frame of the whole video to reduce the frames. It is your wish. I like to reduce the frames, but if you do not want to reduce the frames, you can also keep the whole video. The frame rate is kept at 9.90. It is around 10, so it is fine for me. But it can be anywhere, like I prefer something around 10. You can adjust the frame rate later on. Okay, let me take it from here and let me okay, fine. Let us try it once more to check. Okay, the frames is reduced too much. You can play with the frames later on, but this is just to give you an idea of how it would play out. You can check the options later on. You just need to play with the options. After some days you'll get an idea. Okay, fine. If I need to crop the video, if I need to provide grayscale, it is grayscale, or illuminate, it is illuminate. If I do not want to use any of them, I can just select normal. And then if I want to reduce the portion, for example, I am going to reduce this option from here to here. I believe all the frames are within this itself. Maybe I can reduce it a bit, I suppose. And here is the width. I normally like to keep it around 400, as I mentioned. So 410 I'll keep it, or maybe 400 itself. 400. Quality I can keep it high, low, medium. I prefer it high, neither high nor low. That's fine. And if I need to watermark it, I can just bring this to the beginning of the frame, to the first frame, and then just use it. Say for example, I can kill bold, I can change the font, I can do anything. It is your wish. Okay, fine. Let me keep this. I can reduce the stroke also. Maybe I'll reduce the font a bit lesser. Okay, fine. So this is done, and now I need to pull the watermark over the whole overall difference. Done. So you can see. I'll just and if I need to add a caption, for example, if I want to write something, it is the same method. Actually we had wrote ninja cat. See, if we need to write anything, we can also do that. Anything, it is anything. You can play with all these options later on. And over a selected, for example, if you need to only put this only through these frames, you can use it. Just for an example, ninja cat. You can move around and each and everything, and try with the options later on. I'll just delete it. This I do not like it. You can delete it from here. Select in the timeline and then delete it from here. Fine, that is all we wanted to do. And right now, to make the GIF, we need to save it. See, okay, let me ninja cat dollar chicken. Counter attack. Okay, fine. And then it process the frames. It has been processed right now, as you can see. There are 66 frames in this. I normally recommend within 100 frames, and the maximum weight to be around 400, not more than that. Okay, fine. You can check this. This has been created, so you can just upload it. This is an idea. You will get an idea after trying for some days. This is how to use the Giffing tool. And if you want to, let me close it.